Good evening, everyone. Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in addition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 24th, 3rd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. It's binary time, yes. This will be number 8414. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 19 printed digits. That's a lot. Well, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Then between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Here O, and between 2 ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, yeah, between 2 ones comes an O. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double 1 here, no, there no. Then, let me see. Between the O's comes in 1. Well, do we need to compare? No. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Now we double O here, 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. Until then, bye bye for now.